Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you how to make a cute little sandal for a baby girl and a baby boy. I'm using 1.75 and needle and thread, white thread for sole. So I count 15 chain. So I will start with second chain with half double crochet 2 times in one stitch. Now make half double crochet in remaining stitches except last one. Now I am here to my last chain. I will chain for 6 half double crochet into the last chain. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now make half double crochet in the remaining stitches. Now I am here to my last chain. I will make half double crochet for 4 times. 2 3 and last 4. 1 2 in the second one make slip stitch. This is my first row. Now chain 1 and make half single crochet, single crochet. In the next make 2 single crochet, and in 1 2 3 4 make single crochets. 1 2 3 4 single crochet, then 2 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet in the next 2. Now 1 2 3 4 5 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now make 2 double crochet in 6 stitches. Now I made 2 double crochet in every stitch, 6 stitches. 2 double crochet in every stitch for 6 times. So now I complete my 6, then we will have 12. So start double crochet in 5 stitches, 3 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now half double crochet for 2 times in 2 stitches and 5 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now 1 2 3 4 in 4 stitches I will do 2 single crochet in each stitch. And now make a slip stitch. Now this is my second row. Now I will start my third row. Chain 1 and make half double crochet in the next stitch for 2 times. Now in the next 1 time, in the next make 2 half double crochet, and now half double crochet for 1 time. Now in the remaining stitches make half double crochet when we reach to this side. To this side I mean 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Do 9 half double crochet in each stitch. Now I am here. Now in the first I will make 2 half double crochet, in the next stitch I will make 2 half double crochet, into next I will make 1 half double crochet, into next I will make 2 half double crochet, into next 1 half double crochet. So do it for 6 times. Now chain half double crochet in every stitch for 10 times. Now make 2 half double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next, now 2 half double crochet and 1 half double crochet into the next. So make it for 4 times. 1 2 and this one my third, and now I'm making my fourth, and make a slip stitch in the second one. So I have completed my sole. Now I will start my upper part. Now I am using purple color for the upper part. I will chain 22. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now I did my 22 chain. So in the second one I will make single crochet and make single crochet till to the end of this line. Single crochet in every stitch like this. Now I finished my line, so chain 2 1 2 and turn your work. In the first one make single crochet. So make it for 8 times. Now I finished my 8th row, so I count 8 from this side and 8 from this side. Now I count with the middle one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 stitches. Now I will start with chain 14, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. Now I will make in the first stitch, this is my slip stitch. Now make slip stitch in every stitch till to the other stitch marker. This one is my last. Now I will remove the stitch marker and count for 14 again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now I will make a single crochet into the second one. 1, 2, do it till here. I will see you then. Now I am here to my this part. Now skip the first stitch and in the second make single crochet. See this. One, two, three, four. Now skip this one and make single crochet into the next. And now make single crochet into the next 14 stitches. It will look like this. Now turn your work, chain 1 and make single crochet for 4 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now make single crochet for 2 times. In the next 1 single crochet. In the second make 2 single crochet. Now make single crochet into the next stitches. Now skip this one and in the third one skip 1 second first and in the second make single crochet, stop and again now make single crochet and single crochet for 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and in this one in the 7th make 2 single crochet, in the next 1 single crochet, into the next 2 single crochet. Now single crochet for 4 times, 3 and 4. Now chain 1, turn your work. Now again make single crochet into the all stitches till to here. Now again I am here, so I will do decrease. See, now again make single crochet till to the end of the line like this. Now chain 2, 1, 2 and turn your work, chain 1 and turn your work. In the first make single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 5th make slip stitch and chain for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now half double crochet into the next chain. Now make in all stitches till to the last one. Now skip one in the second, make slip stitch. Now single crochet in remaining stitch. Now make decrease and stitch for 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, sorry, for 9 times. Now chain for 30 chain. 1, 2, 3. I did my 30 chain. Now half double crochet into all stitches. Half double crochet in all stitches till to the end of this strap. Now I finished my this line, so skip the first, in the second make half. Now single crochet for 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and last 4. Now cut the yarn and make it tight. Now this is the middle of my shoes, and I count from this side to this 10 stitches and 10 stitches. It is 20 stitches. Now I will stitch it to this side. Okay, remove the stitch marker and stitch it. Now I stitch to my both side, this one and this one. Now I will count for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From here I will start my front part to this side. I will stitch it here. Now my shoe is ready. See how beautiful it is. It is for 3 to 6 months, and I hope you will like it. Put a button over here. I stitch it for temporarily, so you stitch a button over here. So this is my cute little shoe. I hope you will like it. See you in another tutorial, inshallah. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.